I think it's safe to say that cereal has a place in all of our hearts. With an estimated 13.95 million people consuming cereal daily in Great Britain alone. However, that statistic does include porridge, which I don't consider cereal myself, but the number's still pretty impressive. However, like most delicious things, most cereals are packed full of sugar, fat and salt, which means I only consume it on an occasional basis, as I quite like having all my own teeth. But what if there was a cereal that didn't leave you full of shame and regret? That ironically sounds like most of my 20s. Surreal is a UK-based company that has produced a high-protein, high-fibre, low-fat and zero-sugar cereal. All their products are gluten-free, vegan and keto-friendly. So Surreal very kindly sent me one of their taster boxes. They didn't actually ask me to make this video, they just got in touch with me via Instagram and wanted me to test their product. However, I thought this interesting cereal warranted making a video, and it's definitely not because of short on video ideas this week. Okay, so let's get to the review. I'm going to review the product itself, the affordability and most importantly, the taste, because anything with macros this good surely has got to taste like cardboard. If you're new to the channel, it's probably useful for you to know that I'm quite the cereal connoisseur, so I'm going to be quite intrigued to see how they've pulled off a healthy, high protein, delicious cereal. I'm going to start with Frosties, or frosted cereal. So these have no sugar, 5 grams of net carbs, 13 grams of protein, and are gluten-free, which is crazy. Okay, the first thing that is going to alarm me a little bit is the size. That's considered to be 1 bowl. I think each box is 30 grams. Okay, so these aren't actually the real size small boxes, because this is like 15 grams. This is half of an actual box. This is really a taster. So I was a bit scared when I saw the size of it.
That's what she said.
Smells absolutely delicious. It smells kind of like Planet Donut that I had the other week. So I'm gonna be using soy milk for these cereals. Comment below what plant-based milk you like to use. Me and Loretta like to use soy milk. It obviously has the most protein and I think it's the best tasting. However, I've met a lot of people who seem to like oat milk these days, and some wild people that seem to like almond and cashew milk. Going in. I really like the texture. It's like really solid. Like a lot of cereal does go a bit soggy. I feel like it smells better than it tastes. It's not blown me away the taste, but to be honest, I don't usually have Frosties. I'm normally a Cocoa Pops kind of guy, which is why I've saved those to the end. Okay, the first box, it kind of reminded me of, have you ever had like the whole grain Cheerios, like the healthier version of Cheerios? Like they're definitely tasty and you feel like you're doing good to your body, but they're not like the tastiest cereal. But yeah, we're off to a good start. It doesn't taste like cardboard like I anticipated. Next up, we got the cinnamon cereal. Smells like Cinnamon Crunch. Yeah, I definitely like these ones already. The cinnamon gives it more of a punch than the other one. If you can see, the cereal is actually really dense. And you can actually feel that it's quite filling. Like I don't normally ever eat cereal for breakfast because I feel like I can just eat bowls and bowls of it. So I normally have it like in the evening as a pudding. But this actually does feel like it fills you up. Next, we're gonna go for the peanut butter one. So they all look the same. I thought they might be like different, but they're all like hoops, like Cheerios. Except for this one. Ooh, smells good. Mmm. That is really peanutty. That is the most flavoursome. That is really nice. It doesn't taste like Reese's peanut butter. It tastes like actual peanuts. It's quite weird. Like, wasn't what I was expecting, but it is nice. Okay, we've obviously saved my favourite till last, which is cocoa, which I'm hoping is going to taste like Cocoa Pops, which is the ultimate cereal, let's be honest. I actually can't get over how quite filling this cereal is. Like, I've only got 4 little tiny bags, and I actually feel quite satisfied. That is good. It's not quite Cocoa Pops, but like a healthier version of Cocoa Pops. Like if Cocoa Pops went on a diet. Yeah, decent. Yeah, that's my favourite one, hands down. That one was really tasty. But before I give my final review, I feel like I need to just do one thing first. Just gonna have a bowl of my good old faithful low sugar choco rice, just so I kind of got the taste of the Surreal in my mouth, to gonna give a fair comparison.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl?
Okay, so it's finally time for the review. So I'm gonna start with the product itself. I'd say all the packaging is really awesome. It kind of gives me an Andy Warhol vibe. And I really like it. I think it shows they put a lot of effort and thought into their company. I even feel kind of hipster having these in the house. I kind of feel classy, which tells you a little bit something about me. The ingredients list is really good. They have about 7 ingredients in total, which is about half the amount of Cocoa Pops, which is the one I usually have. Overall for taste, I'm gonna give them a 7 out of 10. It tastes nice, but you know it's a healthier version. It's like sometimes Loretta will make me a healthy cake, and the cake is tasty, but it ain't a normal cake, if you know what I mean. So finally, we're gonna have the affordability. So when I received the product and I checked these guys out online, I was a bit taken back by how much the cereal was to buy. So a 210 gram box of cereal is around £6, which I was like, whoa, that is pretty crazy. Because when I usually have cereal, I'll easily have a 100 gram bowl, maybe 200 gram bowl. So I was thinking that's like £3 a bowl, but having had these sample boxes of only 15 grams, they are very filling, and I guess that's due to all the extra fibre and the protein. So they are actually better value than you may think. So keep that in mind if you're considering checking out these cereals. Overall, I'm gonna give these guys a solid 7 out of 10. That score would be higher, but I don't believe that I am the target demographic. Yes, I am vegan and I do like my protein. However, I usually eat my cereal as like a midnight treat, something I have at the end of the day when I've eaten all my healthy stuff and I kind of want a little snack late in the evening. These, I believe, are more targeted at someone who eats cereal for breakfast, maybe someone who is short on time, in a rush, or just enjoys having cereal. This is an easy way to switch out that cereal and have a healthy alternative. Also, if you have children who are pretty fussy, this could be a great way to get them to eat something a little bit healthier without them even realizing. Anyway, that's going to be it for the review, and if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and the next video is going to be the 2,000 subscriber special. For that video, I will be revisiting an old challenge that I've failed in the past and hopefully coming out victorious. However, to make this challenge a lot more dramatic and suspenseful, I'm going to give you the opportunity to come up with my forfeit. So drop any forfeits in the comments below. It could be food, fitness, whatever you fancy, and I'll pick the best one to be a possible forfeit for the upcoming challenge. Anyway, thank you so much again for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.